this is Fawaz from AustraliaUnwrapped.com. We're back with another video, and this video is about the article Monkey Mia on AustraliaUnwrapped.com. Australia has many faces. All the faces are truly spectacular. One side of Australia is so close to the natural beauty while the other is modern and urban. Monkey Mia is situated about 900 kilometers north of Perth in Western Australia. The word Mia has been derived from Aboriginal word meaning home, and the word monkey comes from the pearling boat called Monkey that anchored there during the late 19th century. Monkey Mia is one of the natural sites for dolphin spotting in the world. The best thing about Monkey Mia is that you can spend some leisurely moments here lazing around, soaking in the sun and doing nothing, and also you can see the bottlenose dolphin at the shore. The biggest attraction at the Monkey Mia is the bottlenose dolphin that comes very close to the shore. The things you can do to explore and enjoy the beauty of Monkey Mia is snorkeling, four-wheel drive, and snorkeling. Meeting the dolphins is a surplus advantage. Monkey Mia gives some time to relax and spend some time away from the stress and city life. The natural beauty spread in all the directions, and cute dolphins snatch all the worries from your head and give you some peace of mind. For further details, hit the like button and comment, and click the link below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you down there.